Hi, this is Jang. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to introduce Molle panel accessories for your Cybertruck. Tesla's website offers a lot of accessories for Cybertruck, but they are often out of stock, making it hard to get. I wanted to better utilize the space in my truck bed and keep things organized. So I tried to get Tesla's Molle panel, but it was nearly impossible to find one in stock. Then I came across a product on Amazon that's almost identical to Tesla's, and it's a bit cheaper too, so I decided to give it a try. Let's unbox it together and check out what's inside, then I'll show you how to install it. On Tesla's website, you have to buy left and right panels separately, but this product comes with both included. The Molle panel is made from aluminum alloy, so it's really sturdy and it's powder coated to prevent from rusting. Each panel comes with 3 supports, which you mount it to the panel for installation. These supports are also made from aluminum, giving them a solid feel, and there's a rubber pad that should help reduce vibration too. So let's start by installing a driver's side. The installation process is pretty straightforward. The supports are slightly different lengths, so just match them up with front, middle, rear, and secure each one with 2 bolts. I used a wrench that came with the kit, but it requires a bit of force, so I ended up using a power driver instead. The same process applied to the other side. The bolt for the middle support fell a little off, but it was securely tightened. Now it's the time to mount the panel to the L-track. The panel is designed to fit perfectly, so just line it up with the front edge, slide the bolt into the track, and position them. At this point, don't tighten them all the way, just enough to keep things in place, so it's easier to insert other bolts to the L-track. Once all 3 bolts are loosely in place, tighten them up securely to finish the installation. You install the other side the same way. I haven't tried Tesla's OEM Molle panel, but from what I've seen from photos, the only difference that I can see is the Tesla version has a Cybertruck logo on it. Otherwise, they seem almost identical. The tonneau cover closed without any issues, and overall quality is great. So if you're looking to make better use of your space, I highly recommend this accessory. I'm planning to mount some camping gears on this panel soon, and I'll be sure to share some photos when I do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!